Hello friends, I have come here to talk about the accidents happening every day without fail in India. And what I feel, all these accidents, whatever happens on daily basis are very painful. And it's a journey of 1,000 miles that starts with a single step, and the charity starts from your home. But I feel if you take small step at your home and educate your family members, your friends, what I am going to explain now can reduce accident at great extent. Kindly follow that one and let us make India free of electrical and fire accidents. Thank you. Let's make India free of electrical and fire accidents. A very important thing is that whenever some accidents you come across, you think about accidents, so you come across the news of electrical accidents, that always gives pain. And the fact is that as per the NCRB data, 15,000 deaths in a year and 75,000 persons who suffers because of electrocutions and 30 to 40 deaths in a day. All these things are very painful. We have to understand that thing. It's not about the electrocutions of women during rainy seasons or general seasons when they touch an electric pole or electric gadgets at their home. Innocent animals also suffers because of that. When your high tension lines fall on them and your tripping systems, your protection system fails, in that case such accident happens. And when I say the fire, you have to understand the three components. You need oxygen, you need heat, you need fuel. And that fuel is the combustible material, oxygen is the oxygen available in the atmosphere, and the heat is the heating effect of current because of short circuit. Time to understand what short circuit is. In fact, in short circuit, the intended path of current that is flowing through your gadget, it becomes short circuited. That means there is some failure of insulation, and that intended path is not followed by your current that goes back to the source through earth, taking shortcut path that is depicted by that picture. We have to avoid that short circuit. And in that case, the role of earthing comes in the picture. We have to ensure the earthing at home. All gadgets are connected with the sockets which are equipped with the earthing system, because earthing systems helps you to operate that OCPD, overcurrent protective device, provided that it is coordinated in a proper way. It helps you to avoid that OCPD, and it helps you to avoid the electrocutions because of earthing problem, and always provide earthing of all the gadgets in your systems. And you have to use all earth connections. It is duty of distribution company to provide that connection. Then it's become duty of consumers as per regulation 18 to use that earthing connection given by utility at their home for all the appliances in the circuits. And we should understand that every fault current has to go back to the source, and we have to provide a proper dedicated path for that fault current to reach back to the source. An important fact is we talk about the charger, because the charger is the thing. No one can live without mobiles, your laptop, and to run that laptop and your mobile you need some charger. And when you purchase charger, that should be as per the relevant IS code. Don't purchase any local charger. And when it comes to your home, always avoid overloading of outlets. Extension cords are should always be used as a temporary basis. It should not be used as a permanent arrangement. Make sure extension cord don't become tripping hazard. Install it properly and unplug appliances when not in use to save energy as well as to minimize the risk of shock and fire. Loose connections should be avoided. Be careful Never plug space heater or any heavy loads into the extension cord or power strip. Never run cords under rugs, carpets, doors or window. Keep your paper or other potential combustible at least 3 feet away from the space heater or other heat sources. Kindly ensure the proper earthing oblique grounding design based on the requirement of the size. Ensure the proper selections of MCB, RCB, RCD and other protective device. Proper selections of cables and wires plays very vital role. Class 2, class 5. Be careful when you choose that wire and cables. Use of good quality gadgets ensures safety, not to use outdated, outlived, damaged gadgets and appliances. Be careful. Proper maintenance of equipment and gadgets ensure the safety and don't use outdated, damaged equipment at all. Proper protection system coordination again plays a vital role. So far safety is concerned, regularly inspection, testing of electrical cords, electrical gadgets, electrical circuits must be done to avoid further damage. Never touch electrical switches, outlet, appliances with wet hands while standing in the water. Always use all the switches as per IS 3854. Always use all sockets, all gadgets ISI mark, and always use plug and socket outlets as per IS 21293. Avoid a loose connection that leads to arc flash. That is very dangerous thing. We must avoid it. And when you don't provide earth, that becomes unearth. That must be avoided. And always pay attention to timely services of your AC installed in your location. Because in the recent time we have seen so many fires because of AC also. And I can assure you one thing, this is not the end, it is just a beginning. And always remember that safety is not a goal, it's a priority. Accidents are not inevitable, they are preventable. Safety is everyone's responsibility, not just a few. Last but not the least, let us work together to make India free of electrical and fire accidents. Thank you everyone, thanks a lot. Let's take a pledge to make India free of electrical and fire accidents.